Standing and watching Mr. Patesh, done at today's video, I will teach you an experiment with magnet and alpha sensor, then known as the table. If you are watching my previous three are though before this video, so you can see them. I brought a fan inside salvaging alpha sensor. So what is alpha sensor? Alpha sensor is a sensor which sends magnetic field and density, and it can turn on either the two outputs. So we see that there are two power pins. It was various voltage like 3 to 20 volts according to the component data sheet, and there are two outputs. Some are one and some are two outputs. If normally one output is normally low output, when magnet is detected, then output is low high. But 4 pin one, which is two output one, is one output is normally high, and another pole is normally output is normally low. So when you flip the magnet place, one output is low and second output goes high. That's why it can change the LED state. Now I made a magnetic polarity reader. So basically there are RF sensor 276-737, which are basically 4 pins. Pin number 1 is positive. It was 3 to 12 volts, and this one is negative. Positive goes to the, you can supply 3 to 7 to 12 volts. So positive goes to the pin number 1 of the RF, and negative to pin number 4. Pin number 3 or pin number 2 is negative output. So pin number 3 is normally closed pin, meaning if no magnet is there, this pin number 3 is normally on, which means it's at negative voltage. If the magnet is detected or south pole is detected, it will trigger the pin 2 output number 1, and output 3 is cut off. And these two outputs are 2 LEDs, and these 2 LEDs negative terminal, and these 2 LEDs directly connected are positive with a 47 ohm resistor due to safety reasons, because I am use 3.7 volt or 4.2 volt, so that's why I use 47 ohm resistor. In your case, if you use more than 5 volt, then you can use a 1K, or if you use 12 volt, then you can use a 10 kilo ohm resistor in here in order to blow this LED. So what happening first, this sensor on by that power, means it was 3.7 to 12 volt, and it's diff normally setting output is turned on, setting LED is turned on when magnet is not detected, or magnet is detected with the north pole, and these LEDs always turn on. If magnet is detected with south pole, this LED is turned on, this LED is turned off. If magnet is detected with north pole, this LED is turned on, but this LED is not turned on. Now I made this circuit in blackboard. For the 7 ohm resistor, this time I use 2 watt resistor. Does this drive 2 LEDs? So each LED is 1 watt. So we need a 2 to 3 watt resistor. Here I use 2 watt right now. This LED is turned on, and this time I don't have bar magnet right now. I use this normal magnet, and this pole is south and this pole is north. So what I have to do, I bring this magnet close to a sensor. If you clearly I hold this pin. When I bring this magnet near the sensor with south pole, you can see its blue LED is turned on. When I bring the magnet out, green LED is turned on. If I flip the magnet, the north pole, and then bring the magnet down the sensor, it will not detect any LED stays green, meaning this is a north pole and this is a without magnet, green LED is still turned on. And when it plays south pole, magnet will trigger and it's turned on the blue LED. Now flip them like that, and now I flip, it will not. And that's why this way you can also identify magnetic poles. So first you can need a calibrated magnet like a bar magnet, which magnet is have the magnetic pole written on it, so you can match it, and it has which LEDs turn on which time, which pole you bring to a magnet. That's why you can identify and mark the invisible LEDs, which LED is below, meaning which side is north and which side is south. That's just you can set any magnetic with, there's no you can measure any kind of magnet pole which cannot retain any magnetic field. Right now, not retain the pole of the magnetic poles. This magnet is donut magnet, so I don't have a bar magnet right now. But you can use the first bar magnet to calibrate this. And this video is ending. Next video I can pause.